The main benefit of this drill is that we are able to increase the feet by 60% compared to standard VA drills.
I'm here to look at a brand new product, the Inox Pro drill range from Gühring, and I'm here with Marcus. So Marcus, what can you tell me about this new range of drills you brought to the market?
Yes, Gühring's history started with drills. Because of this, I'm very proud to be able to present here on the EMO show our new RT100 Inox Pro, which is our new high-performance drill for stainless steel materials.
So what are some of the problems people have with drilling stainless steels and titaniums?
Yeah. When customer machines stainless steels or titaniums, the machining of these materials generates high heat, for example. And because of this, we checked our actual tools and we decided to improve them. And due to this process, we developed the whole new tool, which has a new carbide material, a new coating, and a new geometry.
Now, at Gühring, you already have a very impressive range of drills. So to make one that's even better, just blows my mind. So, as you've just said, you've got a new version of carbide. So how can you control what the carbide is like in a drill?
Gühring is manufacturing the carbide by ourselves. That means we can influence the toughness, the hardness, and exactly this is what we have done with this tool. That means we have developed a new grade with a better ratio regarding the toughness and hardness. And in the end, we have a tool with which we can avoid any breakout at the cutting edge, for example.
So how does that help customers? What sort of percentages on speeds, feeds, run times does this drill give over the older version?
The main benefit of this drill is that we are able to increase the feet by 60% compared to standard VA drills. Another advantage, for example, is the high tool life, which is 60% more than standard drills.
So customers are getting longer run times with the same drill. They're also getting faster run times because of the drill. So how does the new coating help with the swarf evacuation?
Yes, you're right. We have a new coating which is called Perox coating, and this coating is has very smooth surfaces, and due to this we can evacuate the chips in the best way and we have best chip formation. All in all, we have a longer tool life.
Now, people at home are going to be looking at this drill and seeing the size of the drills you have on the stand. But what sort of sizes can I get this drill in?
Yes, we have the RT100 Inox Pro available from 3.0 millimeters up to 20 millimeters. And as you can see here, we have also small dimensions starting from 0.5 millimeters without internal cooling ducts and starting from 1.0 millimeter with internal cooling ducts.
And what sort of lengths on these drills can I get?
Yeah. We have the length from 3 times D through 5 times D up to 7 times D. In this case, it's important to know that with the new geometry, the new coating and the new carbide, we have very reliable process for our customers.